Okay guys, welcome to Unicorn Factory Lisboa. We are here at the Web Summit Lisbon, and this is our booth in right and left to us.
So there's a lot of startups around here.
Yes, these are startups. Startups that are going from pre-seed until Series A. They are in different stages of growth, and they are here exposing and showing a little bit about what they do and what can they offer to the innovation world.
And so what is a Unicorn Factory?
Unicorn Factory is the innovation hub of Lisbon. We work with more than 800 startups in the last couple of years. And what we do is we help scale them, scale their revenues, scale their teams, and expand internationally.
And did you create some unicorns so far?
Not yet. So we are working with a lot of unicorns, but we're hoping to create a new unicorn soon. Let's see how it goes.
What's happening here?
Right now, we are having a roundtable discussion with people from the Lisbon municipality, with the Startup Genome, Banco do Fomento, and Mafalda Freitas, our CEO from Unicorn Factory.
All right, and there's a lot of people coming to get an idea what's happening?
Yes, yeah. We've been flooded by people all these 3 days. People watching our discussions, our discussion panels, watching our startups a little bit more, and trying to understand a little bit of how innovation works in Lisbon.
And what is Visit Portugal?
It's Visit Portugal from tourism.
Is it also very much connected with the Web Summit spirit?
Yes,
but
of
in
course.
the whole year.
Of course, this is the Web Summit spirit. We are the innovation program from the Lisbon City Hall, where we work with them and bring Lisbon's innovation to the world.
All right, and is there like a community to help the startups succeed?
Exactly.
With skills, with networking.
Exactly. This is exactly what to do. We help them succeed and upskill their teams. We help them grow. We help them prepare their pitches. Our startup Granter AI just won the pitch competition in Web Summit just a couple minutes ago. So we bring winners to the world.
The Web Summit is really big. It's so popular. There's so many people here. Yeah. It's a big deal for Lisbon, right?
Definitely, for sure. This is the Innovation Week and the biggest week in tech for Lisbon and for Portugal. And this is where all of innovation in Europe and in the world comes together and grows and creates synergies between each other.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
Long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.